Hello friends, today I'm making chicken adobo with biryani rice. I'm going ahead and start off with the marination. I have ginger garlic paste, jalapeno, red onion, and bay leaf. And I got some black pepper, spiced vinegar that I made myself, soy sauce, MSG, optional of course. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of oil and sugar as well. Instead of adding whole peppercorns, this part over here I grind it a little bit or pound it. I'm gonna add my onion, my bay leaf, and my ginger garlic paste. Hold on the jalapeno for a little bit later. There's my ginger garlic paste. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add some soy sauce. Add your favorite soy sauce. It don't matter. Spiced vinegar, MSG. Mix it a bit and give it a taste. I like mine on a vinegar, more of a vinegar taste. So I'm adding a little bit more. And over here, I'm adding a little bit of, what am I adding? Sugar. And a little bit of oil. And I decided to put a little bit more black pepper. This is more of a finer black pepper that I toasted and grind. Okay, on this part here, this is where I rinse my chicken, how I clean it. You don't have to do this. You can always, skip the step and go to the cooking part. Over here, I am washing the chicken and I am taking off the chicken skin on this part and the chicken fat. And the rest of the chicken, I'll just be trimming it, and I'll be cutting the chicken thighs in half like I did over here. Now I'm adding salt and flour just to take out the chicken smell, and if there's any blood lingering around, that will be taken off. I soaked this for about 15 minutes. Then now I'm gonna rinse it off and put it to the marinade. Here's my marinade, and now I'm gonna add my chicken. You can marinate this for about 4 hours or overnight. I did this one overnight. I also added the jalapeno. It's been overnight now, so I'm just gonna give it a little bit of mix. On this hot pan, I added oil. And I'm gonna add my chicken, and I'm gonna brown my chicken. This is just an extra step for me. This is how I like to do it. You don't need to do this. You could just add your marinade, your chicken, and however you cook your chicken adobo. This is how I do it. So I marinated, and now I browned the chicken on both sides. I'm gonna add annatto powder. I didn't add this. Excuse me. I didn't add this at the beginning because it might burn while I'm browning my chicken. So I'm adding it right now. I'm just gonna go ahead and give it a mix. It gives a flavor and a color that I like, and again, that's optional. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add my marinade. My voice, my marinade, and I'm gonna go ahead and mix it. It's important to know if you're gonna add liquid into this, like chicken broth or water, it has to be boiling hot water. Don't add cold water. Okay, now I'm adding the boiling hot water. Don't add. You don't need to add it all the way to the top since this is cut in half. Just go ahead and put on the lid and simmer it in low simmer for about 20 minutes. When 20 minutes is done, the liquid should reduce just a little bit, and your chicken is fully cooked. Now you can add your coconut milk. I added maybe like 1/4 or 1/3 of a cup. You could add more or less if you want. Go ahead and give that a mix. And then let that simmer for just a little bit. I'm using leftover bell peppers that I have that I need to use. So I'm adding that now. You could also add potato if you want to, but I just have bell peppers, and now it's been reduced. Cook it until you see oil floating. That means your dish is done. So just give it a mix and add your boiled eggs. This is small eggs. I only boiled it for about 5 minutes, which is soft boiled. Go ahead and give that a mix and just cook it for about a minute just to warm it up. Boil it, simmer it for about a minute just to warm it up. There you go. If you want to add more sauce to it, just add more water or coconut milk. This is fine with what I have right now. So just cover it and set aside, and we're gonna start on our biryani rice. On all rice, of course, you need to wash it until it runs clear. So I washed this rice for about 3 or 4 times until the water runs clear. I used a strainer so not too much rice falls out from, that goes into the sink. So that's a big help for me. Just like that. And for the final one, strain the rice all together, then put it back in the bowl and add your clean water. Soak this one for about 30 minutes. Don't soak it longer than that because it might get too soft. Strain it, put it in a colander and put it aside. On your hot pan, add some oil. We got some cinnamon, black cardamom, cloves, Shia Jeera, Cumin Seeds, green cardamom, mace, bay leaf, and star anise. On low heat, very low heat, add your spices except your Shia Jeera and your Cumin Seeds. Again, low heat because you don't want to burn these spices because they do burn very easily. Now go ahead, add your Shia Jeera and your Cumin Seeds. Just give it a good mix for less than a minute, then add your rice. Go ahead and give it a mix. I did forget to add, over here I added salt. I did forget to add ghee butter, clarified butter, so I'm adding that right now, right here. And give that a mix. I have saffron over here. Now I'm just gonna cut it in tiny pieces. Get ready your boiling water because you need to add boiling water and not cold. It's very important that you do not add cold water to this pot. So give it a mix, then add your boiling water. See, it boils right away. So on high heat for now, put your lid on and your cover. Make sure put your cloth on top, then put your fire to the lowest heat as possible. Excuse me. Then when it's done, when it's done about 20 minutes, take out all your spices that you can see on top, like the bay leaf, the cardamom, the cinnamon. Take all those out. Then add your saffron with saffron hot water. Put that on and leave it on for about 15-20 minutes. No heat, no fire. Just to warm it up, and add your chicken adobo and your eggs. And go ahead and add your chicken adobo sauce on top of it. Once you add this, you can mix the rice just a little bit, but I'm not gonna do that for this. I'm just gonna leave it out how it is. And that's about it. I hope you guys like this. This is my first time doing a voiceover. I hope I make sense. Excuse my my Filipino accent over here. Sometimes I don't understand myself. But here's my soft-boiled eggs. If you want more harder boiled eggs, of course you're gonna cook it a little bit longer, but don't cook it to the point where there's gray ring around the yolk. That's not a good thing. And here's the final product. I hope you guys enjoy. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you. Bye.